Metric units are commonly used when measuring length, mass, and capacity. They're based on the powers of 10. The base unit for length is the meter. For mass, it's the gram, and for capacity, it's the liter. We use prefixes with these words to identify smaller units of measurement. For example, centimeter and millimeter. The prefix tells us which power of 10 we are working with. The most common prefixes are centi, milli, and kilo, but there are others. Centi means 1/100th. For example, a centimeter is 1/100th of a meter. Milli means 1,000th. For example, 1 milligram is 1,000th of a gram. Kilo means 1,000 times bigger. For example, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters.
Let's start by looking at the metric units for length. We measure lots of lengths using meters, such as the length of a playground or the height of a house. 1 meter is roughly the size of a large stride. We measure smaller lengths using centimeters, such as the height of a book or the width of a cupboard. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. 1 centimeter is roughly the width of a finger. We measure very small lengths using millimeters, such as the length of an ant or the width of a pencil. There are 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter and 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. Usually, a ruler will show centimeter and millimeter divisions. It's important that you can decide on the most appropriate unit to measure a given length and to convert between units of measurement.
What metric unit would be used to measure the distance from London to Edinburgh? We'd probably use kilometers. 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters. There are approximately 600 kilometers between London and Edinburgh. How many meters is this? We can convert from kilometers to meters by multiplying the quantity by 1,000. 600 multiplied by 1,000 is 600,000. 600,000 meters is equivalent to 600 kilometers.
Let's look at converting between other units of length. What metric unit would you use to measure a shed? We'd probably use meters. Let's say that a shed has a length of 3.2 meters. Convert 3.2 meters into centimeters. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter, and so we multiply 3.2 by 100, which gives us 320. 3.2 meters is equivalent to 320 centimeters.
Let's try another. A cupboard has a width of 652 millimeters. Convert 652 millimeters into centimeters. There are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter, and so we divide 652 by 10, which gives 65.2. 652 millimeters is equivalent to 65.2 centimeters.
It can be confusing to decide if you're dividing or multiplying your value when converting between units. Generally, if the unit that you're converting to is a larger unit, you divide the amount. If the unit that you're converting to is a smaller unit, then you multiply. A flowchart can help with converting between units of measure.